Hello everyone, my name is Anmol and today I'm gonna talk about my first assignment of this semester based on network security tools. So basically I've selected two security tools. The first one is Nexus and the other one is Metasploit Framework. Let's see the overview of these security tools. In overview, as you can see here, I've selected two of the security tools, and in description I'm gonna include about Nexus. It is a remote security tool which scan a computer and raises as a node if it discover any vulnerability that malicious hacker could use to gain access to any computer you have network connected to. And in case of Metasploit framework, Metasploit is a computer security tool which contains suite of security tools that can be used for testing security vulnerabilities. This tool is commonly used to break remote system or testing for computer system vulnerability. So let's see how these tools work in a practical sense. So as you can see here, I've already downloaded Metasploit framework and I've given MSF console. As you can see the output here is showing a success execution of the command MSF console. The second command I've given here, as you can see here, is the update command MSF update. So these are the information about download and update and the packets, so everything is being mentioned here. The third command I've given is msf help. As you can see here, all the command is showing banner, cd, color, exit, history, load, everything. So these are the basic description like help menu, tab, toggle color, communicate with the host, etc, etc. So these all are the extra information about the help command. So after that I've given show option. As you can see here, console login, minimum rank, prompt on, time format, everything is mentioned here along with the description. As you can see, logo, console input and output. You can use console login command and it's showing a current setting as well. So after this I've used show payloads, which showing a payload like basically this command is used to check the vulnerability in the network. So that's all about this command. And in the last, I've used command exploit Windows SMB MS0807 NET API. So it's one of the important command is Metasploit framework. As you can see that basic details here regarding the command and references are mentioned at the last. So that's all about the Metasploit framework. Let's go to the other security tool, which is Nexus, and I'll exactly show you how it works. As you can see here, I've already logged into my account in a Nexus online security tool. So I'm gonna show you how it works. So first of all, if you click on scan here, like go and new scan here. So these are the basic types of scan you can do with this tool: basic network scan, advanced dynamic scan, advanced scan, drone detection, or even you can scan a WannaCry ransomware. This is the only one tool where you can scan ransomware virus. So I will show you how this works. If you click on here, advanced dynamic scan, so this information will generate. I've already put all the information like folder, my scan. So this is the IP of my Mac. I'm gonna save it, and so here it's being saved. So I'm gonna launch it. So now it's working. It will show the number of vulnerability and everything. So I'll show you the other features. Like if you go here, my scan, or if you go to settings, so that's the basic setting. Overview 8.3.2 Darwin, last updated and everything is here. So proxy server, you can put your own server. Proxy server used to forward HTTP requests. You can put your host name, port, username, password, user agent, and test the proxy of your network. And remote link, or you go to update the system, you can check here the update animal, any update comes to your account or anything. Yeah, so if you click here scanner health, you can see Nexus memory use, which is 153 MB in currently, and using 2% of CPU load, or host being scan 0. And it also shows like activity in past 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, 24 hours, or week. So you can check all everything here. So it's a CPU users. As you can see here is using 25, 26%, and here it come down to 5%. Okay, so advanced. So that's the advanced uh, feature of this tool, that Nexus. You can like scanning, logging. You can check performance, security, or miscellaneous. Okay, we'll go back to our scan and I'll show you how this works. As you can see here, the status is completed, and if you click here, it will show what vulnerability, no record found, and host not available. So yeah, that's all about this. So let's go back to our PowerPoint, PPT PowerPoint, and I'm gonna talk about the comparison of Nexus and Metasploit Framework. So first of all, in terms of security feature, Nexus identify large number of vulnerability, whereas Metasploit scan this vulnerability but result in NB file format. Secondly, scanning time in Nexus depends on number of plug or how many plugs are being used on a network, whereas in case of Metasploit framework, it depends of how advanced the scanner is. Lastly, easy to use. As you can see here, Nessus is being used by professional as it is written in NASL, whereas Metasploit is a GUI base and it is written in Perl scripting language. Analyzing the scenario, as per the given case, you can see that high-level security throughout the network is required, which can ensure confidentiality of information in less budget. So that's the important point to be noted. High-level security required in less budget. So in my opinion, both the security tool fulfill the requirement of JKL. So let's quickly check the business requirement for JKL. The requirement that client and staff require high-level security so their information can be confidentially processed, and Nexus is a low security tool as compared to Metasploit framework. It also checks vulnerability in network, which is more secure to among two. I would say both secure tools are secure in terms of security, but Nexus is GUI based and will be more convenient for JKL. In conclusion, I would say both security tool requirement fulfill the requirement of JKL, but for using Metasploit, users might require some technical knowledge as it is used on command line based interference. So in last, I would like to say both security tools are available online, but Nexus is a cost effective. So that's all about my assignment today. Thank you very much.